Welcome back to Autistic-Coder. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to Git, which is one of my most used programming tools. Let's get started. A version control system such as Git lets you track changes to your code over time, collaborate without chaos, and undo mistakes easily. Git is the most popular version control system out there. Git is a distributed version control system. That means it tracks changes to a project's code, and every contributor to that project has a full copy of that code and its history. It's fast, powerful, and free. Let's go over the building blocks of Git. A repository is your project. A commit is a saved change. Branches let you try things without affecting the main codebase. For example, you can try adding a new feature. Merge brings it all together. Here's a typical Git workflow. You create a repository, make changes, stage and commit them, and push to a remote like GitHub. Other developers can then pull your changes. Git is primarily used on the command line or terminal. Let's go over some basic Git commands. Git init initializes a new repository in the current directory. Git clone repository downloads a remote repository from the web. Git push remote branch pushes the current branch to a remote repository, and git pull remote fetches the remote repository and merges it with the local copy. If you're coding solo, Git protects your work. If you're collaborating, it keeps everyone on the same page. It's also a key skill for getting hired. Version control can seem intimidating at first, but hopefully this video helped make it at least a little less intimidating. And if this kind of direct autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And let's keep learning and growing together.